Respiratory sounds. An overview. Use headphones for better sound quality. Pleural friction rub. You are listening to Pleural friction rub. Struggling to identify lung sounds? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Introducing the Must-Know Respiratory Sounds Guide, a comprehensive hyperlinked PDF ebook designed for students and professionals. Get clear explanations of normal and abnormal breath sounds, causes, pathophysiology, and clinical significance. Download, study, and master lung sounds anytime, anywhere. Get your copy now. Click the link to download instantly. Check the description or the link in bio. Do you know your breath sounds? Test your knowledge by taking the lung sounds quiz. To see more videos like this, please subscribe, like, and share. It will help us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.